I want to actually, I just want to show a point, okay, with a trade, okay. I know accumulator is faster in generating signal. So let's say I want to start a trading and I want to just be doing one trade per day, okay, just one trade per day. Okay, let me see first. Maybe if I can use, I think I have a system that is running that can give me a signal. Okay, so I'm waiting for a signal for an entry. I don't even know how much I have here now that is running. Okay, but whatever amount is it, I'm waiting. Now I'm waiting for an entry, just one trade, okay, one trade. One trade. That one trade will give me like, I think 10%. I'm waiting so that you see the process. So you will not say I'm forming it. Okay. I'm waiting. There's been a spike. I'm waiting for a signal. I'm watching it from my laptop. Okay. The signal is not here on this page. So I'm waiting to see an entry. Usually it doesn't take long before it comes. So it will soon show up. It doesn't take long before it comes. Within few minutes, it shows up. Now, when I'm able to execute a single trade a day, and I'm able to make that every day. So I looked at it, instead of me doing this thing every day, almost like every day I'm doing it myself, why not just automate it? Okay, why not just automate the process? So that's why you see me almost like every time I'm working on, okay, that's one, okay, that's just one signal. I've just seen one opportunity and I've taken the trade. And you can see I have made 10%. Now, that 10% looks small, 26 cents. Okay, it looks very small. It is in your very presence, I just take the trade. I look for, now, probably you may be wondering, what is that trade you are doing? Let me show you so that you understand. You see, this is the trade I just do now. This is the signal, the trade I just did. See it here. It's the same trade here. So I was watching it from my system. So I wasn't watching it from Deriv. I'm not using all those their data there because I know they've been using Ojoro with their data. So this one is not available anywhere. It's only me that is. I'm seeing it, I'm checking it, and I'm using it to make my decisions. Now, is it possible for me to do 2, 3 of the same thing? Yes, but I'm not interested in 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Okay, because what I'm building over time, I've discovered that it is not in plenty. It is not something that hangs around plenty arrangement, just few. Now, what I'm trying to show you or share with you is you yourself can look for an opportunity where you can execute trade. You don't have to do plenty. Just do 1 or 2. Be consistent with it. Do it for like a whole month. See the kind of result it can give you. When it gives you the desired result, automate it. Set it in motion. Let it be on autopilot. Meaning, I don't have to be the one waiting, looking, watching out for the thing, and then I'm watching out for the signal to trade whatever, and then I execute. Okay, for instance, let me say I want to take a trade, right? I wait, and I say, oh, I've entered my trade. Now, I'm taking a trade, okay? I'm taking a trade, like right now, I just took one trade. I've done 2 trades right now, which is 20%. That should be enough for you. It should be enough. But you see, the reason why we want to do 20, 30 is because we are very greedy. We want too much. I don't have desire for too much. I'm okay with small. I'm okay with little. I'm okay with little because I have seen the era of wanting more. I've seen the era of wanting small. Maybe you do not understand. Let me show you. Where is that my calculator? Let me show you with calculator. Okay. Let's say I have $100 that I'm staking and I'm making 10% times 10. It means I'm going to be making $10 every day from that $100 stake. And if I'm very careful with it, just I'm doing 10 trades, okay? Let's say I'm not even looking at trading the whole month, okay? I'm not interested in the whole month. I'm after a target. So let's say in 20 days, I should make 200%. So I'm trading for 20 days. That means I need to do 20 trades every month. 20 trades every month. I need you to understand. It means I can make 200% of my stake in 20 days. 20 trades every month. I make 20. Oh, you say, well, but if I had one loss, that's a big setback. It's because, you see, let me tell you, the same trade I'm taking, I can do it 10 times, 5 times, 7 times. So when I'm now trying to do one, I'm always even very extra careful to do just one. Because now it's just one. So I need to be extra careful for that one I want to do. Which is something that always affects psychologically. It's a psychological trick. The same trade I'm doing now, I take 1, I take 2, I can take 5. But when it comes to now doing 1, you are extra careful. Because it's just 1. It's a psychological impact that happens. If you only settle and do small, you will make profit. But you are looking at, you just want big. If you do this consistently, you will earn. You will earn. And you will not have any trouble. I need you to understand, this same me that is telling you now that 10%, this is what I used to do. $20, okay, to make $50. So divide it. So I am trying to make 2 times 5x, 250% every day. That's what I aim at. This same me that aims for 250% every day, I'm now telling you, see what I'm aiming for. 10%. Ordinarily, one trade, even in touch, will get me this thing. One trade will get me 20 or 30%. But I'm not after the huge one because of where are they go. Where are they go? You are not going to, there is no allowance for risking, over-leveraging, you need to do something that is very sure and stable. That's why I'm reducing my hunger for profit. If you are there trading for plenty, you cannot scale. Scaling will be a problem. Except you are a very good gambler, no problem. But your heart and your mind go here when. So this is the approach I'm looking at now. I'm not looking at big stuff anymore. I'm looking at small stuff. So if you like my approach. If you no like my approach. It's not your approach. It's my own. I'm not after the big ones. I'm after the small ones. Now, what you don't understand is that with ease, the market is actually against people who go for small dealings. Why? Because it is too easy. They don't like the people that settle for easy things. They like to complicate things, make things difficult. Do 20, do 100. You have done 100, yet you are not yet satisfied. I have traded from morning till night, till the next day. I have overshoot, overdone. There is nothing I cannot say I have not overdone. Okay, I can decide to say, oh, this account now that is just below $10, I want to grow it to $10. It will not take me time to do so. But I've come to understand that those knowledge, those things that I know that will make me come here and suddenly do pum 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 and grow the money, they can be, I can do much more with them. I can do much more with them. And so also can you. When I say anybody can trade, anybody can do this, you can even do it far, far better off than I do. Why? Because you see, when your mind is open and plain like a small pikin, you can grow faster compared to adults or somebody who don't oversee plenty. You don't see too many things. So you are always too cautious. I am too cautious because of all the things I've seen and tested, I've tried, and I'm too cautious. But you who is with an open-minded, you can easily do these things with ease, without stress. So I'm encouraging you. If you have any idea, okay, you have any idea, you want to scale it up, you want to automate it, don't worry, contact me. As long as it is Deriv, okay, as long as it is on Deriv, we are good to go. Don't worry, we will rock it, we will make it, we will chop. But you see, these things that we do to automate, I'm not going to be talking about them. Okay, the ones that we'll do will rock so that we can automate, we can make. I won't talk about it. You talk about it, the plan is exposed. They are going to be waiting for you. Yes, I know they are going to be waiting for you. So we don't talk about them. So just come, hit me up, we'll chat, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it and then we'll move on from there. Okay, you are wondering, you're just thinking I'm just clicking. I know they just click. Oh, I know they just click. Okay, I traded based on the signal. There's still even another one. But I am not here to start showing you skill of how to trade plenty. I'm telling you the power of just one. One is more than enough. You don't understand. Okay. You try and make 0.6% of your capital. Let's say you have $100. 0.6% of your capital. This is what it is. Make it for 30 days. You are making 18% of your capital every month. Consistent. No sweat. The lesser, the lower, the better. Oh, God bless you. I'll see you in another video.